Hi everyone, I'm Katie Couric, and I'm so glad to be working with FabFitFun in collaboration with Stand Up to Cancer. Cancer claims one person every minute in the US, and even during the pandemic, there will still be nearly 5,000 people diagnosed with cancer every day. Cancer patients have compromised immune systems. Research shows this puts them at a 3 times higher risk of infection from COVID-19. Communities of color are also disproportionately affected by COVID-19 and are underrepresented in cancer research. That's why Stand Up to Cancer launched its Health Equity Initiative to make sure these communities have access to the most promising cancer treatments available. As a community, what can we all do to help? Well, of course, wear a mask, practice good social distancing, and if you're able to, please donate to Stand Up to Cancer in the winter add-on sale. All that money will go to new research programs that will get safe, effective treatments to cancer patients faster and save lives. Thank you so much, FabFitFun, for collaborating with Stand Up to Cancer. We so appreciate your support.